What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Spider-Man from a brand new day. Let's start today's lesson in the center of a page with the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. We're going to draw two dots, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's go back to that left dot. We're going to draw the top of the eye. I'm going to start by curving this up and bend this out towards the left and then just curl that up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Starting from this point, we're going to curve this up, out, and pull that up towards the same height. Now I want to go back over towards the left side. I'm going to draw the bottom of the eye. So we start up here, bend this out, come all the way down. And I'm just going to pull that up towards an inside point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, coming down towards the same height, go around the eye, and then up and in. From here we're going to draw the bottom half of the head. Let's start from the outside of the left eye. We're going to step over, curve the head coming down, around the chin, and then back up towards the right side towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. So we start by bumping this out around the eye, go up and in. Now I want to round up the head, go all the way around, down towards the right side, and we'll bend that in. Let's add that thick trim along the inside of the eye. From this point we're going to step over, and bend this up, and then out. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to trace the bottom of the eye. Starting back on the left, follow that same curve, coming down and then up. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker. Let's fill that trim around the eyes. Now I want to leave the webbing till the end. So let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to curve the body over towards the right. So let's start on the left side of the head. Bend this down and then out towards the hip. Let's go over towards the right side, draw that same curve, coming down and out. Now from the hips, we're going to add a point, coming down towards the middle, and down from the right side. From this point, let's step down. We're going to extend the right leg, the curve going up and then out. And you want to see the bottom of the foot. So we're going to draw an oval, going up towards the top of the foot, round this out, and then round out the bottom. Let's go up to the top of the foot. We're going to bend this around and then down. And then from the hip, we're just going to bend the leg, going out in behind the foot. Let's extend this curve, coming across towards the inside of the left leg. Let's bend the leg around this fold, starting from the hip, going all the way around, round up the knee, and then bend that up. And we'll tuck the foot in underneath. So we're going to step over, we're going to see the top of the foot, coming down, around, and just pull that up underneath the body. Let's extend the right arm holding the web. So we start on the side of the head, then it's out and then up towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to round out the thumb, going up and then down. Round out the tip of the thumb and then bend that up. Then here we're just going to add a fold across the palm. Let's stack 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the thumb, we're going to draw a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw another one, and we're going to tuck this one up underneath the thumb. And then you want to do that one more time. From the bottom of that last finger, bend the palm, coming down and in across the wrist. Step over, draw the bottom of the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Now over on the left side, we're going to bring the hand forward. So we start with the thumb right here. Start by coming in, and then bend that back out. And then add the palm, coming down and then up. Let's extend that first finger. From the thumb, we're going to step over, bend this out and then up. Round up the finger, and then pull that back down. Now I'm going to fold that middle finger. I'm going to step up, draw an oval, coming all the way around. I'm just going to pull that up towards the inside. Let's extend that outside finger. Starting from the top, and it's out and up. Round up the finger, come down, and then in. Now I just want to tuck the palm underneath across the bottom. Now let's go to the inside of the hand. We're going to bend the arm, coming down in behind the thumb, then in toward the top of the body. Let's move down underneath the palm and bend the arm, coming down and then in. Now I want to separate the edge of the glove, starting up here, halfway across the arm with a curve, go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Let's separate the boot, start from the top of the right leg, bend this around, and then along the bottom of the left leg, curve this down around the knee and then out. I want to add a thick sole across the inside of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step in, just trace that across along the inside of the foot, and then along the inside of the left foot, coming all the way around and then taper it down towards the bottom. Let's add that trim across the body. Starting from the left side, we're going to bend this in and then down towards the hip on both sides. And we're just going to angle this up towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to add some webbing and that spider in the center of the body. Let's start underneath the chin. We're going to bend this down in the middle and then out towards that bottom point. Let's add that spider. We're going to start with an oval in the middle. Underneath that oval, coming down and out, come down and in towards the center, and we'll fill that in black. Let's add in the legs. Bend this out on either side, curl this up and then in. Let's add a second set of legs. We're going to go out further, and then bend this up and then in towards the top. Let's draw the bottom set of legs. Coming down and out, bend this down and in, and then adding a smaller set of legs along the inside. Now let's move over and draw a curve, going out and then down around the spider. Let's go to the hip, extend this all the way down, and then add one more line along the side. Now I want to add some webs going across, starting from here, bend this up and then down in the middle. Let's step up. Underneath the spider, adding another curve. Let's go up to the top, add two curves on either side, and then bend this out towards the arms. Let's add some webs across the feet. So we start up here from the cuff, bend this across towards the bottom, step down, add another curve. Now from this fold, I'm going to bend this around the toe and down, step over and draw another one. Let's add those webs going across the right foot. Starting up here, bend this across towards the bottom, step down and draw another curve. Let's add those webs going across the foot. Starting up here, we're going to add a curve, continue all the way towards the bottom, step in and draw that again. Just going to add a couple more curves along the top of this foot. Now we want to add those webs across that bottom foot. Starting up here, just going to bend this up towards the cuff, going across, move down and draw that again. Now it's going to work our way across the bottom of the foot. Let's add the webs across the hands. We're going to start from these fingers. We separate the fingers with two curves. Now that center finger, I'm going to add one. Let's add a couple across the thumb. And we're going to work our way across the palm. From here, going in behind that center finger and then up, step down and draw another curve. Let's add two lines coming down the arm from the hand. And then we're going to add the webs going across. Let's go to the right side. We're going to add a curve across the center of each finger, then one across the thumb. From the bottom of the thumb, add one curve coming all the way down towards the cuff. Add one more across the bottom. Let's add those webs going across from the bottom, then add another set. Now let's add the webs across the mask. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top of the head, draw a straight line coming all the way down, aiming in between the eyes. Now right here, we're going to split this off. coming down toward the left and right side. Let's go to the top of the eyes. I'm going to add a curve going up and then out. Let's move down to the bottom, and it's out and then down on either side. Go underneath the eyes, add another curve going down and out. From the side of the head, come straight in. Now I'm going to add one more curve from the side of the temples coming in towards the eyes. Let's add those webs going across, starting from here, then up towards the center, come down and out. Let's add another set, going up towards the top, towards the right. Now from here along the outside, we're just going to bend this out and down in behind the eyes. Let's add another set across the top, curving this up in the middle, down towards the right, and then from the outside, bend this down and then out. Let's add two webs going across the middle, on the top and then the bottom of the chin. Go back up, tuck this up underneath the eyes, and then from the bottom, bend this up and then out. Now let's finish off by adding that web going in behind the right hand, starting from the bottom finger, bend this down and around like an S. Go back up to the top, we're just going to add some thickness. Now in between the thumb and that top finger, draw a straight angled line going up and outside of our page. Step over and draw that again. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Spider-Man from A Brand New Day. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.